Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to define some of the basic settings such as HR details, classifications, and financial institutions. We will also see how to define formulae to be used for salary calculation. Before starting this process, ensure that your previous settings are done. We have created a playlist which will help you step by step through these processes. You can find in the I button above and also in the description below. Let us begin by defining the classifications which exist in your organization. To navigate to the screen, click on Masters and select Classifications under Others. Here you can define all the classifications which is used in your organization. Designation will be defined by default. Now you can type in the classification which you want in the heading part and then define the display order for this classification. The display order is used to show the order of classification while defining the employee details and also while reporting. Once done, click on Create Classification heading. Now you can see it listed in the table below. Each classification will have three options: Details, Edit, and Delete, except the default Designation classification. If you go into the Details option, you can define the different names of the classification. For example, under Designation, you can create Trainee, Junior Engineer, Team Lead, Analyst, etc. Even these can be edited or deleted if necessary. Also, if you have a long list of classification names, then you can import it to software using an Excel. First, download the sample Excel and fill all the details. Then come to Excel template upload, choose the file and click on Upload option. This will import your list to the software. The next option is creating categories for HR details. This process is similar to how you would create classification details. Select HR category under Masters, Others. Here you can create the category, edit or delete it. Under Details, you can further define various labels for each HR detail category created. You can also enable the required checkbox here to define whether it is mandatory to enter this while creating new employee details or not. Similarly, you can also define a list of financial institutes you transact with for various purposes such as salary, advances, and insurances. For this, come to Financial Institution option under Master Others. Here on the right hand side, click on Add New Financial Institute. Here you can add the various options which comes under the financial institutions and click on Create Financial Institution. Once created, it will be listed under financial institutions. If you have a lot of values defined, then you can filter and see based on the account type. The last option we will see in this video is the formula editor. This is where you can define custom formulae for various components of your salary based on your requirements. Come to Master Others and click on Formulae Editor. Here on the right hand side, click on Add New Formulae. Before going further, let us take a minute to understand the various components. First is the name. Here it is best to name the formula with clarity so that you can pick it out of a list easily. Next, we will see the different formulae components. First, we have variables. These are based on the salary, employee details, and leave details which have been defined for your organization. We can also see there are two different types of salary variables: component and CV. Component is the theoretical value where CV or calculated value takes the earned values. Next, you can select the required operators or comparison criteria. The last part is functions. Functions will help to define complex conditions. If you are defining simple formulae like 20% of basic plus DA, then you can try. But if you want to implement any complex conditions, we request you to contact our support department. Now, all these variables can be combined to create an expression, and these expressions can be used for salary calculation or bonus or leave encashment calculation. This completes the content of this video and also the whole of master settings. If you still haven't done, do check out the playlist we have created, which will help you implement all the master settings. You can find the link at the end of the video and in the description below. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.